Hi cruisers, I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of what's going on today. Heidi and I have been working hard pretty much all day. As you guys see, Frankie's all disassembled. So what we're doing inside the vehicle with the new marketplace tools, snap on, got this one, big guy, little guy, for us to be able to tighten things without losing or without ruining all the screws, bolts, nuts. Instead of using this guy, beautiful guy, way too powerful. As you see, the tray, pretty much we got everything hooked up. Fuel system is hooked up. Back here is our little office. First stage, that's where Shorty lives. Still working on him, still lots to go. A little shop. Give you guys a little bit more of an introduction of what we're doing. I was going to put these on Shorty, but I found different seats for it. So I will be posting these for sale. So if you're interested, DM me. Or DM Heidi.
Yeah.
Come back here, we've been working hard. There's the roof for Shorty, pretty ghetto, but already painted, ready to go. Tires for Shorty.
It's not really a house here, it's more like a workshop.
Also for sale soon.
If you're interested, DM us.
So I painted these today, as you guys can have a quick look at it. This is pretty much the seat bracket. I painted with a very durable 2K black paint in order to have rock chip resistance and also to be able to sustain the abuse of being inside of a car as a seat rack. This is the battery tray, also painted that, looking mint, looking clean. And this is one that we're still doubting and debating on exactly if we love the color or not. I don't like it. I requested them to do for this to be the graphite gray. This is the color they gave us, as you guys can clearly
So guys, is it black or graphite?
Definitely not graphite gray, so I will have to do some magic, hopefully a little bit of scuffing and give it more of a patina look. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got set up for today. And we only back here because it was raining and there's actually a roof here.
Bye.